Why can't Cell stay out of my goddamn way?
I need to get everyone out to the perimeter.
You're wasting your time.
I have to save as many lives as I can.
No, it won't matter. It's not gonna be like Lingshan. Archangel has a massive global energy store. They feed all that power back into the Alpha Ceph, and it'll punch one hell of a hole in the earth. There'll be no Earth left.
So what can we do?
Connect to a Ceph mine carrier. If I can get inside their heads, maybe I can reverse the awakening, put them all back to sleep. If there's no Ceph threat, Cell will call off Archangel.
You're going to link yourself to the Ceph? Prophet, you struggled to resist their influence even when your mind was protected. We've turned those safeties off now. That means the nanites in your suit are free. That means they can transform into anything, any form imaginable. You could actually become a Ceph.
That's a risk I'm willing to take.
You're never gonna make it. They're gonna nuke the whole city. You're all gonna die.
Prophet! Prophet? Are you there? Are you okay? They aren't attacking you. My God. They think you're Ceph.
No, not just Ceph. They think I'm the Alpha Ceph. I am the Alpha Ceph.
Prophet! Prophet! It's too dangerous! You're losing yourself to the Ceph! Prophet! Lawrence!
No! No, I'm okay. I'm alright, I'm alright. I feel the hive mind. It's so powerful. That's it. Their thoughts and the power, it's all the same thing. If I can only... Shit.
What's that?
The real Alpha Ceph.
Get out of there, Prophet!
My suit powers on training. I'm not taking damage. Ceph weapons are more powerful. It's over.
Prophet, we need to link up ASAP. The situation is out of control.
It didn't work, but the Ceph hive mind is pure energy. If I let them in a little more, I can take that power for myself.
Prophet, come back to me and listen. I've got more details on Archangel. It's already in transfer orbit. It could be on us within the hour. We also know cells evacuated everywhere but a single facility about 5 clicks from here. It must be a command point for the satellite. Get me inside and we can shut Archangel down together. Are you with me on this, soldier?
Yes, ma'am.
Give him hell!
Prophet, Claire, my unit... The Ceph disabled our APC. Can you... We need help, Prophet. I don't know what... I don't think this is a survivable situation.
Hang in there. 5 minutes, okay? Just 5 more minutes. Claire? Claire! Damn it.
Prophet, do you read me? Prophet?
I read. Give me a second.
Prophet, thank God. We're taking heavy losses. Romeo 12 has set up a perimeter, but... Prophet, it's hopeless. There's no end to them. The Ceph just keep coming.
Alpha, bound up! He's using arrows! He can't be far. Let's go get him. He's trying to hide. Let's go get him.
from the north! It's hopeless! We're never getting out of here! Listen up! You will keep that negative horse shit off my airwaves, or I will personally send you to fight the Ceph yourself as a one-man front line.
Prophet, evac is a no-go. You should finish your mission. Stopping Archangel is our priority. You're just wasting time here. I wish we'd got off to a better start. We would have made a great team. Good luck!
Actual, this is Romeo 1. We have a vulture prepped and ready for evac. Over.
Michael! You came back!
Romeo Actual, this is Romeo 1. Please observe standard radio protocol on this channel. Over.
Whatever you say, Romeo 1. Over. We are clear and ready for takeoff. Over.
Prophet, evacuating Romeo 12 to a defensible position. Over.
Copy that, Psycho.
Hold to the spot, you're you and you'll do it now! Help us! God damn it, stop giving orders and send us a fucking VTOL! We're gonna fucking...
Security lockdown in effect.
Max, you crazy bitch! Don't open the gate! Prophet's still out there!
Rash's signal lock channel. Over.
Rash! If anyone can help us with this, it's Rash.
Get him.
I've got some more data on Archangel. We're tracking its orbital transition, and you're gonna have to pick up the pace. It'll be over New York in just 15 minutes.
You gonna make it?
We're just a couple of clicks from Rash's signal origin. We'll sweep for any signs of him, and we'll be out there in 5. We'll be at the rendezvous.
Prophet, landing zone is hot. There's an external generator powering the air defenses. Can you put a shell through it? Over.
I'll see what I can do.
Prophet, we've got Rash. We've got Rash!
What's the status?
Confused. He's not making a lot of sense. Don't think he knows where he is or who we are. But physically he's fine. I think he's shell-shocked. He was holed up dead center of a Ceph hot zone. No idea how he survived that onslaught.
Pin him down. You moved it.
Defenses down. You're free to land.
Copy that. Now make your way to the control station. Hurry up. Lift should still be functional. Over.
Archangel will have Liberty Dome lock on in 10 minutes. Move it, Prophet.
Prophet? Prophet, is that you, my dear boy? I should have known I could rely on you. You've made a brilliant decision. Archangel is a threat to us all. We must act quickly. We've come too far.
We need more men up here!
Cannot
They've all
lose
pulled out!
everything now.
Psycho, the Ceph have gone quiet. What's going on?
The Ceph have disengaged the target. No intel or motivations. Over.
Recon is last position.
Don't let him hack into the gun! Line him up! Cover me!
What's that?
It's nearly on us, Prophet. Move it! We're just seconds away!
60, 50, 40.
Prophet, help me out here. I need you to access that terminal.
Accessing.
Emergency procedures in progress. All remaining cell operatives must evacuate to subterranean containment facility 5 Epsilon 9.
Can we stop it?
All personnel commit to post-emergency roll in T-15 minutes.
It looks like Archangel only got off a partial charge. About 5%. Just under the threshold for a chain reaction with Ceph energy. We got lucky. Very lucky.
Is that all he's got?
Projecting stage 3 simulation.
Stage 3?
I needed you. I needed all of you to help me escape my cell prison. My children were mindless while I slept. Shutting down Archangel was the last thing I needed from you. And for that, I must thank you.
What? What are you talking about? Rash.
Projecting stage 3 simulation.
The third and final stage.
The beam. It's powering. Oh my god. It's an Einstein-Rosen bridge. A goddamn wormhole to the M33 galaxy. And there's something big coming through.
Back in the safe house, when I couldn't get a read on you, you said it was because you were the suit's creator. But that's not it, is it? How long has it been going on? Extending your life with nanotech, with Ceph DNA. Do you have any idea what you've become? You were battling the Ceph hive mind, just like me. Except, you lost. They absorbed you. And now you're one of them.
Fuck you, X!
Psycho! Get her out of here! Carl. Carl?
You have something, Prophet. Something the Ceph will never have or understand. Get out!
Shit!
The guns! Get on the guns!
Psycho! The Alpha Ceph is breaking from the tower! Gunships! 3 o'clock! Move!
Come on! Come on!
Get us out of here!
This is gonna get a bit sticky!
Prophet. You need to see this.
Stage 3 is the final and most deadly element of the Ceph colonization strategy. If met with significant and persistent resistance, a Ceph incursion force will seek to open an Einstein-Rosen bridge direct to the heart of its parent galaxy. From there, Ceph overhives will deploy their dedicated warrior caste to obliterate any and all obstructions.
We've only seen a fraction of what the Ceph can do. This is an extinction-level event. The Alpha Ceph will keep powering that beam until their entire invasion force is through. We have to